Hey guys, welcome back to the bench. Just wanted to do a quick video on how I put these threaded inserts in. There's different kinds that I use. These are probably your more traditional ones, just knurled inserts. They have the knurling here that's supposed to hold them in the hole, but these oftentimes are too big for some of the holes that I print that want, like this is an 832, a number 8 screw basically, bolt, whatever, and this one is a 1/4 20. Now this is made for furniture wood. I like to use these because I can get them started a little bit with a regular screwdriver, put in here and twist them like that. You can't put them all the way in like that because these things will break off. Or if you need to shorten the length of these, you can break this upper part off and still, you know, get a smaller one in. So one thing I do is I go ahead and start a screw or whatever of what I'm working on, and here's one where this insert needs to go in this way, so I will start my screw into the insert and then pull it back in, give it a couple turns with a screwdriver to get it started. Then I'll take my hot soldering iron and I'll just heat that thing up and twist it the rest of the way in like this. That's how I do the ones that are made for wood. I'll give them a little twist, try not to get my soldering iron hung up on it. Well, this screw allows me to keep it straight. I can that's going to line up with my recess right there, so I can make that into a flat head. Not this screw, but the one that actually goes in there. So that's how I do those. If I do these, you basically just, you have to have a larger hole. Let me see if I can find another part here. If you do these, you'd have to have a larger hole that they could fit into, and then you would do the same thing. You'd take your soldering iron and you just press them in that way. So anyway, just a quick video on how I do those. They're challenging, I would say, but they do work. They have held up very nice on several things I have done, and these are locally available to me. I can walk into the local Lowe's or Menards or whatever, pick these up for just a little over $1. Home Depot, for some reason they're like $3 at Home Depot. I don't get that, but this is just a standard 1/4 20, and I will try that in here and use this and see how it works. But yeah, so far my others held up fine, and I think that's where we're at. But like I say, so far in all the others, those have held up fine. They are a little weaker, I would say, than the normal knurling, where they cover the screw all the way up like that. Where this, in these tops, they have a tendency to break some, but they still hold the rest of it in all the way down to the bottom, even if these break off. So, but you know, admittedly, in the 3D printing world, a lot of these will pop out too. So neither one are actually foolproof. But hey, that's where we stand.